Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, we gonna create one new project. Actually, our first project for SwiftUI, and we gonna create one hello SwiftUI or hello, uh, word for SwiftUI, and then we gonna customize, our hello world text view. So we will jump to Xcode, and here we gonna go to File, New Project. So we will choose Single View App, and here we gonna name it. So just name it as a Swift UI Hello Swift UI. So it's important that we choose language Swift, and interface should be Swift UI. So far we were using a storyboard, but now it's gonna be Swift UI. And here it says yeah, we keep it in this directory. Also we create git respiratory in there to push it to git and share it with you folks. So as soon as we make this, we already will have hello world here. So what we need to do, we just here we call it canvas. In here we will tap on resume, and after a few minutes we will have our hello world preview here, and you will see if I click here then it's gonna run it, but this is the draft preview. So what I do, I just change this hello world to, for example, hello Swift UI, and you will see here it's gonna change. If this canvas was not is not visible, then you can go to select editor, and then make canvas visible. So about this, I just give you just a very brief explanation. So in SwiftUI, we will create two structure, one for content view. Of course we're gonna import SwiftUI, and then we will have content view which include body, and then inside the body we will put our view in structure, and as we change this, this will be updated. And also we have another one which is a content preview, and this one gonna preview our content view here in your screen. Okay, so now we done with this. You found it how fast and easy it's gonna be, and now we start to customize our text view. So first of all, what I do, for example, I come here, and when we want to do it, structure is gonna be this widget, and then we will go after. So here just type format, or sorry, font, and here just say title. This is gonna be font I'm using, and also I can add foreground color, and I just say, for example, green. So now it's green. You will see that when I change it. Also I can customize this with ID help. So what I do, I can command click on this, and here I will have some option, pop-up menu that help me to change it. So for example, here I'll go to say, okay, show SwiftUI inspector for me, and here I see SwiftUI inspector, and in inspector I can play with this and do same change here. So for example, I'll just say, for example, ultra light, and it's gonna do this for me here. So again, command click on this, show inspector, and here I can do more and more customization with IDE, or as I showed you, you can do it with font, with text here. Okay, what else we can do? For example, let me make this heavy, for example, or you can do it from here as well. Dot medium. There you go. And right away we will see results here. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video, and please, if you have any question, any issue, or any request, you are always welcome, and you can leave it in comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and watch other video. Have a good one. Bye bye.